make someone miss you without talking to them. You have the power to make someone miss you, reach out to you without even contacting them, without sending them a text message, without trying to get their attention. It doesn't matter if you had a bad argument. It doesn't matter if you haven't heard from this person in 20 years and they don't have your number. The universe will find a way. You have the power to make someone miss you, to be desperate for you, to chase you, to pursue you, to think about you nonstop. This all happens from within, the power of your imagination, your mind, your emotions. You have the power to manifest this in your life, and I'm about to show you a foolproof way to do it. Because your mind, your thoughts, your emotions act as a frequency, either drawing someone in or pushing them away. And if you have not been getting the results you want, you've been pushing them away, unfortunately, unknowingly. But I'm here to help you stop all of that right now, because the second you do this meditation, they are going to feel the difference and they're going to be drawn to you like a magnet, and it will be genuine love and care. For them to fall madly in love with you, to need you, to be desperate for you. Because everything starts from within you. You have every experience available to you right now. There is nothing to create because it essentially all exists. All you need to do is tune into the frequency where this is your reality. And that's what this meditation will do for you. So no more trying, no more struggle, no more hoping. You already have this. It's a guarantee. So the trick is you want to feel this is real, not something that you're hoping for, not something you have to fix or do something else before you can have it. You want to feel like you already possess this, to tune into the frequency of already having it, because then your subconscious mind will have no option but to, in fact, display those results. But you cannot contact them. Contacting them suggests that you do not already have them, that they are not already missing you. So you have to make sure all of your actions, all of your thoughts, all of your frequencies are lined up with a feeling of having it now. Nothing left to be done. It is yours. All experiences are available to you right now. Your life is acting like a mirror. Everything is rigged in your favor. Everything is already available to you. You can imagine anything in your mind. No one is stopping you. It's up to you to tune into this frequency instead of the frequency of lack and scarcity. And oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? You have to tune into the frequency of everything is rigged in my favor. I am their perfect person. They're missing me desperately right now. Anything is available to me because you are a vibrational magnet. So whatever you take on as truth will have to be reflected in the screen of space. Law of attraction, law of assumption, Neville Goddard, all things manifestation. You are a vibrational magnet. So whatever you focus on as truth in your mind and heart, you will receive in life, including with this specific person, because we are manifesting everything. Everything involves a person. So there is no reason that you cannot have that. The only reason would be to not have it would be to display actions, emotions, thoughts that suggest you do not already have this. But you will always manifest in your life what you feel you already are. We manifest what we believe ourselves to be. So this meditation is going to get you into that state and help you stay there. So we are going to get this person to miss you, and I'm going to meditate with you. Hold your hand throughout the whole process. And if you would like to work with me, personally work with me, one-on-one, studywithveronica.com. Check out what options I still have available for personal coaching. They will not be available for much longer. And subscribe. I actually have 4 different YouTube channels, all different topics. So check them out. Links are below. This is a self-hypnosis meditation to make someone miss you without even talking to them. I'd like to welcome you, where we will harness the power of your mind and energy to connect with someone any specific person on a deeper level, making them miss you without any physical communication or prompting by you. Now, before you begin, please find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax and be undisturbed. Feel free to sit or lie down. Close your eyes if it makes you happy. When you are ready to begin, take a deep breath in and fill your lungs completely. Then exhale the air slowly. And as you do this, imagine releasing any tension or stress that you may be carrying about this specific person. With each breath you take, allow yourself to sink deeper and deeper into a state of calm and relaxation. Where your subconscious mind will readily accept all of these ideas. Now, as you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, bring your awareness to the present moment. Now let go of any thoughts or distractions from your day, because this time is specifically for you, a time to connect with your powerful creative energy. This energy that is within you, to tune into the frequency of everything working in your favor with your specific person. Now I want you to focus on the idea that everything is rigged in your favor. Repeat silently or out loud, everything with my specific person is rigged in my favor. Now feel the truth of these words resonate deep within you. Imagine that the universe is conspiring to bring you everything you desire with this person. You don't need to chase, worry, or lift a finger, because the universe is already aligning things perfectly for you. Now visualize a golden light surrounding you. A light that represents the energy of the universe working in your favor. This light is warm, comforting, and powerful. It is a reminder that you are supported and loved by the universe, that everything you need is already on its way to you. Now, focus your attention on the specific person you want to connect with. Try to picture them as clearly as you can in your mind. Imagine their face, their eyes, their smile. As you hold this image, silently say to yourself, I am their perfect person. Feel the confidence in these words. You are exactly who they need, who they desire, and who they miss. You don't need to change or do anything differently. You are already perfect for them. Now imagine a strong, unbreakable connection between you and your specific person. This connection is made of pure energy, vibrating with the knowledge that you are their perfect person. Feel the energy and momentum of this connection growing stronger. Pulling them closer to you in their thoughts and feelings. As you visualize this connection, begin to imagine that you are a vibrating magnet. Now say to yourself, I am a vibrational being. I have the power to attract anything I desire. Including how this specific person feels about me. Now feel the energy of this truth expanding within you. Now I want you to imagine a magnetic field that surrounds your entire body. And it radiates out into the universe. This field is powerful, drawing in the thoughts, emotions, and desires of the specific person you are focusing on. They can't help but be drawn to you, to think of you constantly, and to miss you. This magnetic energy is irresistible to them. And it's working right now to make them long for your presence. Now, shift your focus to the feeling of being missed. Imagine this person sitting alone, thinking of you. They can't get you out of their mind. Every little thing reminds them of you. The sound of your voice, the touch of your hand, the way you make them feel. In their heart, there's an emptiness that only you can fill. As you hold this image in your mind, silently repeat, "They're missing me desperately right now." They are longing for me. Aching to hear my voice. To see my face. To be with me. I am the missing piece in their life. And they are realizing it more and more with each passing moment. Feel the intensity of these emotions radiate through your entire being. Now imagine them reaching out, trying to connect with you. Desperate to feel close to you. The more they think about you, the stronger their longing becomes. They're drawn to you like a magnet. unable to resist the pull of your energy. Now, as you continue to focus on this connection, say to yourself, anything is available to me with this specific person. The universe is abundant. And there are no limits to what I can attract. I am a powerful creator. And my desires are within reach. Now imagine the universe opening up to you. Ready to present you with all the opportunities and experiences you desire. Whether it's love with a specific person, a deeper connection, happiness, or all of the above. It's already available to you. Because you are now a vibrational match for it. Feel the excitement and joy of knowing that what you desire is already yours. Now let's take a moment to strengthen the connection between you and your specific person even further. I want you to imagine a cord of light extending from your heart to theirs. Now this cord represents the deep, unspoken bond that connects you. As you focus on this cord, see it growing brighter and stronger with each breath you take. With each inhale, draw in the energy of love, desire, and connection with this specific person. With each exhale, send this energy along the cord to your specific person. Imagine them feeling this energy. feeling your presence. And being reminded of the deep connection you share. As the cord grows stronger, so does their longing for you. They can feel your energy, your love, and your presence. Even though you're not physically together, they are being drawn to you, thinking of you, missing you, and wanting to be close to you. They find you irresistible. Now it's time for you to take a moment to trust in the manifestation process. Trust that the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. Better than your wildest dreams. Trust that this specific person is already missing you. Thinking of you and being drawn to you. Trust that you are such a powerful creator and that your desires are already on their way to you. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel a sense of peace and calm washing over you. You don't need to do anything more. Just let the universe work its magic. You are a vibrational magnet, and everything you desire is coming to you effortlessly with this specific person. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to this present moment. Gently open your eyes, but carry this feeling of confidence and trust with you throughout your day, knowing that the specific person you desire the most is already missing you and being drawn to you right now. And soon the evidence of this will appear before you. Remember, you are the perfect person for them, and they are missing you desperately. Everything is rigged in your favor, and anything is available to you because you are a vibrational being. So trust in your power and let the universe bring exactly what you desire. And so it is. Amen. If you need someone to contact you to get a text message, I have this amazing meditation that I know will blow your mind. Check it out here. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. It is amazing and will rock your world.